Now grab the mask by the towel.
I'm trying to. Now I'm going.
What are you doing?
Come inside. I gotta go. I have to work. Come on. Theo. Stop it. Stop. Hey, just come. What is it? I'm gonna show this to everyone.
She's got it again.
Look at this dude.
You calling your sister? Where's Millie? Millie! Say, come here, Millie. Call her. Say, come here, Millie. Say, Millie, come in. Millie.
Henry. Ow.
I will end you. Do not do it.
Look at her. Look at her. In the sink. What you doing in the sink? What you doing? What is she licking? Dishes.
Can you please? Can you please?
Just waiting for Kendall to get out of swim.
This is my one night out.
Find a flame for the grounded bollocks in you. The baby shaft for his long suffering.
My dog is broken.
I don't know.
What are you? Put my fucking water cup down. You fucking bitch. Put it down.
Yo, what's up?
Of all the toys you got, this is what you take.
Wait, Milo, go in the cage. Go in the cage. Open the door. Open it. Good boy.
I have no words. Rex. You can't. Guys, I can't. You're insane, Dirk. You know that, right?
Huh?
Did you pee pee on your feet?
On his foot. He just pissed on his foot.
Oh my gosh. This is bullshit, Mom.
He's a good boy. Good job, honey.
Ready? This daggum dog.
He's a good boy. Listen to him snarl.
He's trying to make snow angels. Watching him,
Oh, just a pinky toe. Oh, just a pinky toe. Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Come on! Let's go! Oh my
Bonjour, est-ce que je peux vous aider? Allez, je sors.
This distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
No, what's that? Who's that scary guy? Come on, let's go. Let's get out of here.
你摊个脑袋看我干嘛？啊？